𝗕𝗨𝗟𝗍. I'm Nate.
And I'm Maud, and in this video we're going to show you how we build our floor. Heyo!
Heyo!
We did the little Tetris right behind us, right there.
Now we're gonna make some long straight line cuts. And then we gotta cut around the wheel well, which is gonna be lots of fun, but I think we've got a good way to do it. Starting by cutting these two boards in half, or I'm splitting it so that each one is half the width of the truck. So 34.5 inches, because we're roughly 69 inches wide from side to side, wall to wall. So we're gonna cut that in half, then we're gonna cut the wheel wells out of this, put those both down, and then we just have to fill up the front, which should be pretty square and straightforward.
I don't get it.
Don't worry about it, babe. I'm gonna show you the way.
Okay, perfect.
Just finished cutting the foam in, and I just wanted to show that we are leaving a little bit of a gap around the edge of the foam and the edge of the van, and that is deliberate because we are going to fill that with easy gap foam filler, and that'll create an airtight seal. But also it helps when you're cutting your plywood stencil, because the plywood, obviously being a lot more rigid, is not going to have any room to move against this. So when you cut your plywood out, if you're going to use your foam as a stencil, which you should, it'll just make sure your plywood actually fits in here. Also make sure when you're cutting, you leave your two straight edges in the middle, and then you rip your plywood down on the edges and then fit it in on the edges that are going against the van. Hopefully that makes sense, but if not, leave us a question in the comments and we'll be happy to answer. You can see we've got stuff all over the floors. Yay. Got our second layer of foam down, and tomorrow we're gonna put the wood in. We stenciled everything. We're just letting the foam dry. And tomorrow we'll glue down all the plywood. And then vinyl.
And we did this.
And we did foam crack filler.
Foam crack filler. So tomorrow, new day. Bye. To make it waterproof.
Yeah, it'll also hold the wood in place so that it doesn't have any way to go back or forth. Wow, this is gonna take a while.
Making the stair edging. We measured this and put a little plywood on this side with some screws, and now we're gonna put this stair edging on top of it like this, and put some screws in this, and then we have a little back. so happy that the floor is done.
Yeah.
Up to the next project now.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is for baking. Rolling out and out. Yeah. Pretty nice. Super handy. There's all kinds of stuff you can do. Yep. Do down here a little bit.
Ooh.
Yeah. So you can use this. You know, you don't have to film everything, but if you do,
Lasers
yeah,
also.
leave something in the comments of what you'd like to do with your rolling pin. And
Yeah.
all right. Now let's go.